I'm a founder and a product designer, and I have multiple streams of income, and it's kind of outrageous how this one little app helps me manage everything. Here are the powerhouse Notion templates and workflows that I've created that help me do it all. I ran a design agency for over 10 years and I used to have to manage all of this manually. With Notion, I can create these individual freelance client portals and share them with my clients so that they can see all of the updates and the progress on the work that's happening, make requests, add in comments and changes, and hopefully not too many. And I manage everything in this Kanban board view. This is an amazing solution if you're a freelancer because you can have invoicing in here, you can have contracts in here, and it just makes everything really streamlined and simple and collaborative. And if you're jumping on that productized design service train, this is an amazing way to do everything and keep all of your client projects organized and delivered. I'm working on multiple startups and SaaS app projects, and I have a workspace for each one of these so that I can keep everything that has to do with the business plan, the marketing strategies, the partnerships, hiring, and everything all in one place. This is my master system, and I can bring team members on, give them specific access to specific pages based on their role, and manage everyone and everything from in here. I can create databases that connect to each other, and I can create roll-ups of everything to give myself reports and analytics on different KPIs and metrics that are important to these companies, and just completely mold this platform to do exactly what that business needs. I create a ton of content, YouTube videos like this one, TikToks, Instagrams, Twitter posts, X's, and blog articles. And I have an entire system and calendar set up here for that. So I can write my scripts in here and then turn those into short form content and schedule posts in my calendar. I can then give access to my social media manager and they can see the items assigned to them, publish them, and mark them as complete. So it's a very fast system that I can use to create lots of content in a short amount of time. As a product designer, I'm always doing user research, analyzing data. This workspace has so many useful templates and instructions on how to use all of them, including a competitive analysis, for example, and templates and boilerplates for a SWOT analysis and target market share, and instructions on exactly how to do a great competitive analysis and what that is exactly. There are templates in here for mood boards and galleries and swipe files, and dynamic user personas that are actually linked to user journey maps so that when you make a change here, it's reflected inside of that user journey. I create my design portfolios in here and case studies, and my students do too. It is the best way to create tailored case studies for different job applications that you might be applying for. We all know that there are hundreds of different titles, and sometimes you might want to apply for a graphic design job and then a UI UX design job. There is nothing more powerful than tailoring your job applications, your cover letters, and your portfolio to match the jobs you're applying for. And this is so much easier to do in Notion than you otherwise would in a website, where you have to deal with all of that technical overhead and the learning curve of updating and maintaining a website. Our DesignerUp students are crushing it using these portfolios to land jobs, and you can get these portfolio templates in the description below as well. Did you know that I teach a course on product design? And it's one of the top-rated and most comprehensive design courses of its kind, and all of these templates are included for free when you enroll as a student. I would love for you to join us, and you can learn more about it in the link in the description. Okay, back to the video. I sell multiple digital products like these Notion templates, and I can keep track of all of them and the website copy and the product prices and the names and the assets all right in here. It makes it very easy because I can duplicate these templates and then have a product up and running in Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy in a matter of days. With all of these things, I like to send out emails to my subscriber base that's over 20,000 right now, and to keep them up to date on all of the things that I'm doing, sharing exclusive lessons about product design and mindfulness. And I manage all of that right here. I can write my emails, I can create my email marketing funnels, and then put everything into ConvertKit or MailerLite and send everything in a nice email sequence or automation. Notion even has this crazy AI integration that helps you write all of these things, and it does a really great job at helping me come up with ideas for blog posts, emails, and other content. If you don't have Notion yet, you can use my link in the description to get it. And there's a totally free plan, so it doesn't cost you anything to try this out. So if you ever wanted to dive into any of these passive income streams or start a business of your own, or to just generally manage things better to increase your productivity, you have to check these templates out. And I've made it doubly easy for you so that all you have to do is just download these and install them into your Notion workspace with one click. And you can get those in the link in the description below. And if you want to see me deep dive into any of these specific templates and how I've created them, we've got a full playlist all about Notion right here.